Today I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile in Amazon. Whether you want to update your profile picture or change your display name, this quick process will help you personalize your Amazon account and make it truly yours. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to make these changes. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account management page, where you can control various aspects of your Amazon profile and settings. On the account page, look for and click on Your Amazon Family. This section is specifically designed for managing family profiles and related settings within your Amazon account. It's where you'll be able to access and modify individual profile information for yourself or other family members linked to your account. Once you're in the Amazon Family section, you'll see a list of profiles associated with your account. Click on the profile you want to edit. This will open up that specific profile settings and customization options, allowing you to make the changes you need. Now that you're viewing the profile, click on Edit Profile Picture. This option gives you the ability to personalize the profile with a photo that represents you or the family member whose profile you're editing. Having a profile picture makes the account feel more personal and helps distinguish between different family members. After clicking that option, you'll see a button that says Change Profile Photo. Go ahead and click it. This will open a file browser window on your computer, allowing you to select an image from your device. Browse through your folders and locate the image you'd like to use as your new profile picture. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. The image will then upload to Amazon and set as your new profile picture. Make sure the photo you choose meets Amazon's requirements for profile images. If you also want to change your name, the process is just as simple. Delete your current name that's displayed in the name field, then type in your new preferred name. Once you've entered the name exactly how you want it to appear, click Save. This will update your profile with the new information, and the changes will be reflected across your Amazon account. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Amazon profile with a new picture and updated name. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.